Alright folks, hope everybody had a decent Christmas despite all the COVID-19 stuff that's still going on worldwide. Just thought I'd do a quick unboxing video on something my wife got me for my Christmas. Although when I say she got me, she gave me the money to buy them. So here we go. First things first, a set of hot grips from Oxford. These are the touring ones, which I hope, are the right length for these. So can't wait to get them on. First thing I've noticed, as soon as autumn struck, hands are just freezing. I bought new gloves, but they do nothing. So hopefully these do the trick. I'll be getting them wired up very shortly. And here's the second item. Which is the AGV Compact ST. Can't remember the actual model of it. It's a front flip up helmet, which I'm not even sure how you work. Oh, there we go. So roll on the springtime. It's currently the 31st of December. My bike is in my work, parked up, ready for some chain maintenance, and it needs an oil and filter change. I've only done 1600 miles this year, thanks to COVID and other things going on in my family. So roll on 2021. Hopefully it's a bit easier for all. Take it easy folks. Peace out.